Hello traders, welcome to the new year 2023. And with the start of this new year, we'll be doing our weekly analysis on the pair US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from the date of 1st January towards 6th January 2023. Now, US30 on a weekly time frame throughout this entire week didn't really move much on a certain direction. As you can see, it just kept on ranging in between the high and the low that it made on the previous week by facing support at this key level and also by facing resistance at this key zone over here, forming this build-up phase that it formed right around here. Now, as you can also see, US30 made a breakout of this strong uptrend line that it was moving in respect to with this bearish move over here, and this is where US30 is currently finding support at, which is also a higher time frame major support level with multiple major retest points over here. Now US30, if continues to break a breakout of this ranging phase with further bearish momentum, then US30 would be going for some even deeper correction move, correcting some of the move that it made with this bullish engulfing move that it made over here, and that might lead US30 to continue pushing down towards this next major key level, which has multiple major retest points, as you can see over here, riding this clean candle over here. However, US30 could also, if does find support over here and breaks and closes above this key level, which is our higher time frame major resistance with multiple major retest points, then we might see US30 continuing this bullish run over here, and this was its pullback move, and then US30 might continue to push up towards this next key level with multiple major retest points. Now, if you go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then we can see our build up or ranging phase really well over here with its support and resistance zone that US30 formed after a break and close below its previous support zone with this bearish engulfing candle. So this is a build up phase that US30 formed for a couple of days over here. Now a breakout of this build up phase is gonna determine in which direction US30 might be heading on a higher time frame point of view. So for US30 to continue pushing down, it should make a proper break and close below this key level with further bearish momentum. Similarly, for US30 to continue pushing up, it should make a break and close above this and this key zone with further bullish momentum. Now, if you go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, then we can see the same key levels and zones that we just talked about on the daily to weekly time frame. Now, if US30 on the upcoming week continues to respect this key zone as its resistance and makes a break and close below this major key level, major support level with further bearish momentum, then we can start to look for trades on the short side in hopes of US30 continuing to push down, creating new lower low while moving in respect to a newly formed downtrend line, which might look something like this or something like this to come all the way retest this next major key level, which you can see even better on a weekly time frame, has multiple major retest points, as you can see over here. However, if US30 instead of making a break and close below this key level with further bearish momentum, if it makes a break and close above this resistance zone with further bullish momentum, then US30 might come all the way up to make a retest on this next key zone, which has multiple retest points over here. And if US30 with further bullish move even makes a break and close above that key zone by creating higher lows over here, then US30 would be making a breakout of this major key level that we talked in our weekly time frame analysis, has multiple major retest points. So that key zone is right here at this key level. So if US30 after making a break and close above this key zone even makes a breakout of this key level with further bullish momentum, then it could be an indication that US30 would be continuing to push up, continuing this higher time frame bullish run over here by forming a newly formed uptrend line, which might look something like this with that highest lows it would be forming over here to come all the way retest this next key level with multiple major retest points. So we have to see how US30 reacts towards this key level over here, if US30 makes a break and close below this key level, or if US30 makes a break and close above this and this key zone, to determine if US30 would be moving in respect to a newly formed downtrend line, which might look something like this, or if US30 would be continuing this bullish run on a newly formed uptrend line, which could be looking like this. So that all depends by seeing in which direction US30 makes a breakout of from this support level and from this resistance zone, and then we'll be looking for trades. So that's my analysis in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart as well, so that you can see all these key zones and trend lines. And to know more about my mentorship details, make sure to contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on US30.